So, hello everybody. I hope you are all doing well. It has been quite a long time, but uh, as yeah, it is not so bad. So today we're gonna make something quite great with those servo motors here, those servos, and the ultrasonic sensor. I will give a end. Yeah, we will see what we can do with the range. You know, I am very addicted to this. Yeah, HCSR04. Yeah. Well, yeah, we are. Yeah. We will try to make something funny today with the Arduino Uno, but you know I will share the code uh, in the comments, everybody. Yeah. Okay. So finally, this is yeah, what I came to do with those ends because everybody needs a end, so yeah. So yeah, I used four servos to but it was too much for the Arduino Uno. I wanted to use them simultaneously, but I was not able to do it because it was too much for the Arduino Uno. So in my code, I decided to let a delay between each end, and so the thing is triggered by this ultrasonic sensor. See the range, see the range. It will trigger, yeah, 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 you see? It triggers the end, and then we go back to the position. So first you have to check your servo to center it properly. You can find a lot of codes on the internet, but yeah, it doesn't really matter because servo motors, they have a piece you can, let's try it again. Yeah. So you see, I let the 2 seconds delay after the whole sequence is finished. Yeah. So I use the the problem is the power is too low. You need an external power source to if you want to use the four servo motors whether simultaneously or whether with a smaller delay than what I did here. So I will share the code. You will see the code in the comments. What you can see is that I use the pin from 9 to 12 for the servos, so that you don't need you don't need pulse width modulation PWM ports for the servo, because yeah, it is managed by the Arduino. So again, if you need the end, you just have to, yeah, you see, oh, I use the trigger and the end. You always need a good end. So it's no problem creating multiple servo objects. You just have to check the code. Yeah, you can see there are always a little differences between each servos. Yeah, it was difficult to scavenge the ends, but I used to work in a toy shop, so yeah, before I was ik heb problemen gehad, ja, dat was slecht, zeer slecht. Yeah. So you can adjust the range of the HCSR04. Oh, what the? We have a bug. We have a bug. Yeah. Okay. If you stay on the ultrasonic sensor, you see? No. Oh. Okay. So I think we are done with this cool project. This is the Arduino Hack Life project for the people who don't like to cough.